You've seen the headlines. Gold, its all-time high. Gold is the ultimate safe haven. And now you're wondering, should I buy gold before it's too late? Here's the honest answer. No, unless your net worth is over $30 million. Gold is probably a distraction. Let's break down why. People don't buy gold for returns. They buy gold for one thing: safety. It's about fear. Fear of inflation. Fear of the dollar collapsing. Fear of a global meltdown. And gold promises to protect. But here's the first hard truth. Gold is an investment. It's insurance. And like any insurance, it doesn't grow. It doesn't pay you. It only makes sense when you already have a lot to lose. A friend of mine, let's call him Mike, was always paranoid about the markets. Every time he saw a scary headline, he bought more gold, 1%, then 3%, then 5% of his portfolio. 7 years later, no collapse. Just gold sitting there, doing nothing. Meanwhile, stocks doubled. Real estate appreciated. His gold just existed. Mike didn't lose money, but he lost opportunity. The people who actually buy gold in bulk, billionaires, family offices, governments, they already own everything. Businesses, real estate, farmland, equities. Gold is just a seatbelt, not the engine. If everything crashes, gold helps them preserve a fraction of their wealth. But for you, still building wealth, gold isn't protection. It's a detour. You've heard the advice. Diversify. Own a little of everything. Sounds smart, right? But here's the reality. Diversification only works when you have enough capital to diversify with. If you're still in a phase of building, your job is not to own a bit of everything. Your job is to grow. And growth doesn't come from gold. Gold doesn't cash flow. It doesn't compound. It doesn't scale. It sits. If you're worried about the dollar losing value, if you want real protection, gold is not your answer. Real estate is. Here's why. It generates cash flow. You can rent it, lease it, or develop it. It has practical use. You can live in it, work in it, grow food on it. It inflates with the economy. Property values rise as the dollar weakens. Ask yourself, if the system really broke down, who's better off? The guy with gold bars in a vault, or the one with a producing farm and rental properties? I met a guy from Tennessee who bought rural land in 2016. Everyone said it was dumb, too far out, not liquid. Today, he's got rental cabins, passive income, food security, and a property that tripled in value. His gold didn't even need it. Let's do the math. If you have $50 million, allocating 5% to gold gives you $2.5 million in a hard asset that can buy you time, mobility, options. But if your net worth is $200,000, 5% is just $10,000. You think 10 grand in gold will save you if the world burns? Come on, that's not protection. That's emotional spending. You want real protection? Here's what works. Buy real assets that generate income. Single-family homes, small apartment buildings, agricultural land. Own what people will still need in a crisis. Food, shelter, water, connectivity. Don't overlook the obvious. Keep dry powder. Liquidity is protection, not gold. When the crash comes, you want to be the one buying, not the one hiding behind gold bars. Want to know when gold rallies? When the masses panic. And by the time the media is screaming about it, guess what? It's already priced in. The middle class buys gold at the top and sells it at the bottom. You want to be smart? Either buy gold when no one's talking about it, or build a portfolio so strong that you don't need it at all. If this video made you rethink your strategy, hit that like button right now. And send it to your friend who just bought gold because Instagram told him to. Let's build real wealth, not just shiny distractions. Here's the brutal truth. The middle class keeps copying the rich without understanding the game. The rich buy gold because they're already rich. You need to grow first. Buying gold before building wealth is like installing airbags on a bicycle. Makes no sense. You can stash gold in your safe, or you can build real-world freedom with income-producing assets. The gold won't save you. The real estate might, Your move.